Let's tackle hair breakage with just two herbs. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. In today's video, we are making a potent hair growth spray for your braids. I've been on a series to show you what you can use on your braids for as long as you are looking for growth. And in today's video, we are using rosemary and fennel seeds. These seeds are natural and they are very potent. If you are looking to get results from braids. Sometimes people braid their hair and they're like, I braided my hair and my hair didn't grow. Yes, the hair grows anyway, but you can boost the growth here, just like the way we grow in general. But when you take some supplements, when you eat well, your growth is really nourished, same as the hair. So in this video, in this treatment, we used rosemary and then fennel seeds. Rosemary is very beneficial. I always talk about how rosemary is tested in the lab, like rosemary is a tested herb. On the other hand, fennel seeds is something that you can use to stimulate hair growth. So in this video, we are making them into a spray. Yes, you can make them into an oil. So you infuse them in hot oil. You can also decide to boil them under boiling water. But if you know me, you know that I like things to be done fast and quickly. So doing this method is the easiest for me. So I boil the two together. I infuse them in hot water together for about 15 minutes. And then this is a very potent herb that you can use on your hair. Like, it's so strong and very potent. Yes, so use this to nourish your scalp and also use it to promote hair growth if you want to see growth in your hair. I always mention the fact that you have to target bald spots. If there's a particular spot on your hair that is not growing or you feel is getting scalpy or something, you have to really target that part a lot. And also, you see, when you are done braiding, after a while you get some bumps on your hair. Target those areas because those places can cause inflammation and also scalp issues. So when you target those areas, then you give yourself a very good massage. Yes, do well not to do too much. Do well not to do too much so that you can just use this for about a week or 3 days or 4 days, or you can use it as and when, so that you don't have to have a lot stored somewhere and then you'll be thinking of when to use it. Yes, you can also use this as a leave-in spray, not necessarily in your braids. So for example, you want to moisturize your hair a bit, you can just use this as a leave-in spray, so that instead of water, you just use this as your leave-in spray. Guys, these are herbs that are really potent. I've been on a 3-week journey with you with my braids on how I grow my hair in braids. If you are looking for a channel that will teach you how you can use general herbs, very common herbs at home to grow your hair, this is a channel for you. If at this point you haven't subscribed, please, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is the channel for you. I've grown my hair from bald using only natural ingredients. I make my whole herbal shampoo. Once in a while, I use some store-bought shampoos. But basically, what I want to say is you can grow your hair from bald using very affordable and home ingredients. So when I am done, I follow up with hair oil just to seal in the moisture a bit, so that I don't leave my scalp feeling dry and all that. Let me know if there's something you'll be trying at home, and let me know if you have any questions for me. My name is Lydia. If you're new to the channel, do well to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Till next time, don't forget to give yourself a very good massage. Till next time, bye. Thank you so much for watching.